oko. That is called fire, which is oko. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Queen and I'm popularly known as Igbo with Queen TV. In this channel, I teach Igbo language. We learn Igbo in this channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys Igbo communication, how to communicate with people in Igbo, how to add words together in Igbo and then make a sentences with it. Fire. Fire is oko. Fire is oko. Fire is oko. Oko. Egg. Egg. Egg is called aqua. Egg is called aqua. Egg is called aqua. Chair. The chair you're using to sit down, chair, is called oche. Chair is called oche. Television, your television in your house, television is called ihe onyinyo. Television is called ihe onyinyo. Ihe onyinyo. Ihe onyinyo. Say it again. Ihe onyinyo. Say it again. Ihe onyinyo. One more time. Ihe onyinyo. Very good. Clothes is called efe. Efe. Clothes is called efe. Clothes is called efe. Some people call it aqua. Some people call it efe. Some people also call it uwe. 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 In the general Igbo, they call it efe. Efe. Some call it uwe. Some call it aqua. Some call it efe. Door. Door. You know door. Door. That's your door in your house. Door. Door is called uzo. Uzo. That is door. It's called uzo. Door, like when you tell somebody, please close the door for me, is uzo. Mechiere m ụzọ ahụ. Biko mepee ụzọ. Mepee ụzọ is open the door. Mechie ụzọ is close the door. Mepee ụzọ is open the door. Mechie ụzọ is close the door. Understand? Very good. Now it's time to make a sentences with all these words that I've teach. Number 1, fire. Fire is oko, right? Fire is oko. I have burned myself with the fire. Or I have on the fire. Agbaela m ọkụ. Agbaela m ọkụ. You can say I have burned, the fire has burned my hand. Ọkụ tara m n'aka. The fire has burnt my hand. Ọkụ tara m n'aka. Ọkụ tara m n'aka. The fire burnt my hand. Ọkụ tara m n'aka. The fire burnt my hand. Ọkụ tara m n'aka. Bring that egg for me. Wetara m akwa ahụ. Bring that egg for me. Wetara m akwa ahụ. Or you can say, why did you break the egg? Why did you break the egg? Ke ihe mere iji kụwaa akwa ahụ? Ke ihe mere iji kụwaa akwa ahụ? Chair, which is called oche. I am sitting down. on my chair. I am sitting down on my chair, or I want to sit on that chair. I want to sit on that chair. M na-achọ ịnọrọ ọdụ n'oche ahụ. Do you understand? M na-achọ ịnọrọ ọdụ n'oche ahụ. M na-achọ ịnọrọ ọdụ n'oche ahụ. Ị ghọtara ihe m na-ekwu? Do you understand me? M na-achọ ịnọrọ ọdụ n'oche ahụ. I want to sit on that chair. M na-achọ ịnọrọ ọdụ n'oche ahụ. Television. Television, which is ihe onyinyo. Ihe onyinyo. On that television for me. Gbanyere m ihe onyinyo ahụ. Gbanyere m ihe onyinyo ahụ. On that television for me. Gbanyere m ihe onyinyo ahụ. Or I want to on the television. Achọrọ m ịgbanye ihe onyinyo. Achọrọ m ịgbanye ihe onyinyo. Achọrọ m ịgbanye ihe onyinyo ahụ. Achọrọ m ịgbanye ihe onyinyo ahụ. I want to on that. Go is gawa. Go is gawa. Come is bịa. Come is bịa. Come is bịa. Nọrọ ọdụ is sit down. Nọrọ ọdụ is sit down. Nọrọ ọdụ is sit down. Dinara is lie down. Dinara is lie down. Dinara is lie down. Hie ụra is sleep. Hie ụra is sleep. Hie ụra is sleep. Ike gwụrụ m is I am tired. Ike agwụla m. I am tired. Ike agwụla m. I am tired. I am thinking. M na-eche echiche. M na-eche echiche. M na-eche echiche. I am thinking. M na-eche echiche. I am thinking. M na-eche echiche. I am thinking. Nne, mother. Nne is mother. Nne is mother. Nne is mother. Nna is father. Nna is father. Nna is father. Nwanne m is my siblings. Nwanne m is my siblings. Nwanne m is my siblings. Nwa m. Nwa m is my child. Nwa m is my child. Nwa m is my child. M na-aga ụlọ akwụkwọ. M na-aga ụlọ akwụkwọ is I am going to school. M na-aga ụlọ akwụkwọ is I am going to school. M na-aga ụlọ akwụkwọ is I am going to school. M na-aga ụlọ akwụkwọ is I am going to school. So guys, we are going to stop this video here. If you like and enjoy this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Click on that notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will always be the first to see it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.